So question 2 says, find the amount that results from the given investment. So we have a $300 invested at 9% daily after a period of 4 years. So again, what we're looking for is our future amount or final amount. So A is going to equal then the principal, which is the present value, times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT, where R is the annual interest rate, N is the number of times being compounded in a year, and T is the time in years. So if I'm using this formula, A is going to equal the initial investment will be P, which is the 300. The R is going to be the rate of interest, which is 9%, but we have to change that to decimal, so it's going to be 0.09. So again, if you're unsure, you can just type in 9 divided by 100 into a calculator, because that's what 9% means, is 9 per 100, or divided by 100, so 9% interest rate, or 0.09. Daily implies 365. And then the period of time is going to be the 4 years. So if I use our formula, we'll have 300 times then 1 plus the 0.09 divided by 365 raised to this is going to be 365 times 4. So let's go ahead and just do 365 times 4 off to the side here. So NT, 365 times 4. So it's going to be 1460. So if I put that into the calculator, we have 300, and then in parentheses, we have 1 plus 0.09 divided by the 365. And then that's going to be raised to the 1460. So the money is going to be compounded a lot more. Notice 1 minute ago was compounded quarterly. That means 4 times a year, but this is compounded every day. So see if it makes a difference in our balance. So notice that even though we were compounding it daily, we did not earn as much as we did with 11% interest. So notice that 11% actually made a bigger difference than the number of times being compounded, since the length of time was still in years as well. So our future value would be 429 and 98 cents would be our future value. So that's what we'd be looking for that problem there. But notice how, again, the interest rate carried more than compounded daily did. So that's the thing to kind of note if you try to understand stuff. It's the number of times compounded is going to impact it, but not as much as the rate of interest did.